Good morning. My name is Kajal. How are you, all of you? If you really want to learn English, so follow my channel. This is the part 3. I have already uploaded part 1 and part 2. Let me tell you once what is this? This is the synonyms of new. The word is new. We all know new means naya, and these are rest synonyms. So let's get started. First word is modern, meaning the word modern refers to something that is current, contemporary, or in line with the present time, often associated with the latest trends, designs, or technologies. Example: the house has a modern design with sleek furniture and open spaces. Second example: with modern smartphones, you can access the internet anytime, anywhere. Another word, newly arrived, meaning the term newly arrived refers to something or someone that has recently come or been introduced to a particular place, event, or situation. Example: check out our newly arrived collection of winter clothing, perfect for the season. Second example: the newly arrived students quickly adapted to their new school environment. Another word is related to newborn, meaning the word newborn refers to a baby or infant that has just been born, typically within the first few weeks or of life. Example: the hospital has a special care unit for newborn babies. Another example: the newborn puppies are very small and need a lot of care. Another word is novel, meaning the word novel can refer to two things. First, a type of long fictional narrative. It's mean a book or literary work. Second, meaning something new or unusual. An adjective. Example: example first as a literally work. Now, दो एग्जाम्पल यहाँ लेते हैं पहले. She is reading a thrilling novel by her favorite author. What is the meaning of thrilling? Romanchak. Another example: the novel explores themes of love, sacrifice, and family dynamics. Second meaning, as something new or original. Adjective. Example: the company introduced a novel approach to solve environmental problems. Second example: the artist's novel technique brought a fresh perspective to the art world. Another word, fresh, meaning the word fresh refers to something that is new, recently made, or in its natural state, free from spoilage. It can also describe something that is refreshing, clean, or original. Example: I bought some fresh fruit from the market this morning. Second example, the air after the rain feels so fresh and clean. Third example, she brought a fresh perspective to the project with her innovative ideas. Another word, original, meaning the word original refers to something that is unique, not copied, and created for the first time. It can describe anything that is fresh, authentic, or inventive. Example, her original artwork was displayed at the gallery, attracting many visitors. Second example, the book you are reading is the original edition, not a reprint. Another word, unhackneyed, meaning the word unhackneyed means something that is fresh, original, and not overused. It describes an idea, phrase, or concept that is unique and not clinched. Example, the director's unhackneyed approach to storytelling made the film stand out. Another example, she had an unhackneyed view on the topic that made everyone rethink their opinions. Thank you for watching.